My name is Elina, and today we will go to the trip around the Stonehenge. Let's start. The Stonehenge was built about 3000 years BC, and it's older than Egyptian pyramids. Let's look around. There is really beautiful views. Then I want you to tell how it was built. It was there is a lot of myths about this. The first legend is about a wizard Merlin. You know about him, and people really think that he used magic to build it. The next legend is about the devils, which played a trick with people who lived there. And the last legend is about druids. They were Celtic priests. Druids? Celtic priests, yeah, Celtic priests. Let's go a little bit closer, and now I'll tell you why it was built. People have a lot of versions, and the first is that it was something like a cemetery. The next verse is that it was a place of healing or a temple to the sun, where people celebrated the longest day of the year and the shortest day of the year. And the last fact is that it was a place for special celebrations. We don't know what celebration, but yeah, sometimes a celebration. The next. Let's go closer. Yeah, and let's look on the stones from which it's built. There are two kinds of stones. It's blue stones, the small, and the sources, the big ones. The blue stones were carried here by the sea, and the sarcens by the land. The next, let's look around. Yeah. Here we can see about 350 barrows, which were something like a place for dead people, usually rich people, and they were buried with their things, with their money and with their with their things.
Valuable things.
Yeah. So